Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove view shop button on Instagram. So first of all, just open your Instagram application in your mobile. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. So if you are going to ask if you could only remove this a view shop button from your profile, then that would be impossible. Now for us to remove totally review shop button, we will have to convert our account into a personal one. So to convert your account to a personal account, we first want to go to the top right of the screen. There are three bars, tap on it, and from here you want to tap on this creator tools and controls. Now here you have to tap on this switch account type, just tap on it. Now here you want to switch to personal account. Now once you done that, it's going to ask you to confirm if you really want to switch your personal account. So just click on switch to personal account and your Instagram account will be refreshed, and as you can see, and now you have successfully changed your account into a personal one, and the view shop button should no longer be available into your Instagram account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.